Hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Flowcode. Flowcode is the next generation of QR technology, helping brands and influencers connect with their customers and fans. Flowcodes are fully customizable to match your brand's color, logo, and style. No more black and white, boring generic QR code. It's a great tool for small businesses and influencers because it offers free data analytics to help improve your business. Even better analytics with a pro account. Flowcode makes your audience feel more connected since it's so easy for your customers and fans to use. Did I mention it's free to create and use? Make a Flowcode in under 60 seconds today. Flowcode is trusted by some of the biggest celebrities and brands. JLo incorporated Flowcode into her JLo Beauty activation that launched on New Year's Eve. The experience features JLo branded and ultra-fast scanning Flowcodes wrapped on the MTA shuttle subway in the heart of New York City. The activation gives customers instant and direct shopping access to her new skincare line using Flowcode. For example, if you own a business, then you can use Flowcode for product packaging. You can have it set to scan to reorder an item, scan to leave a review, or scan to follow the brand on social media. Don't own a business? It's okay. Let's say you work in a real estate agency. Then you can add a Flowcode to a generic lawn sign so people can scan and retrieve contact information, schedule a virtual tour, and more. It's also great for restaurants for contactless menus. I'm going to show you how I made my customized Flowcode that links to my YouTube channel. On flowcode.com, the first thing you need to do is to decide whether you want to code to scan to be your website, social media, a Spotify playlist, basically any digital destination. I'm clicking the button that says YouTube because I want an easy way for new people to find my channel. I already copied the link to my channel, so I'm just putting it where it says. Enter or paste a website URL. Next is the fun part, where you get to design your code. You don't have to do this step, but customizing your code makes it stand out more, so I recommend it. First, pick your pattern, then choose a color and theme, and upload a center image if you want it. That's it. Super easy to do and completely free to create. Finally, press download and voila! I created a free account so that I can track and edit my code. The best way to use your code is to print it or save it to your phone for easy access. I made a Flowcode stickers to hand out to followers, but there's so many ways to use your code. Flowcode has pre-made free templates to add your code to. It was super easy for me to make and helped me get a ton of scans right off the bat. Flowcode is so much better than generic QR codes because Flowcodes are highly designed and customizable to stand out to potential customers and fans. Generic QR codes are everywhere. They're often missed because they all look the same. Flowcodes are free to create and use. Many generic QR companies charge for basic features. Flowcodes never expire and are 100% secure. Many generic QR codes are unreliable and break easily. Don't forget to visit www.flowcode.com to create your Flowcode today.